embrace the unknown. Open your mind. The power of an open mind. Within the vast expanse of human potential lies an extraordinary gift. The ability to open our minds to new ideas, perspectives, and possibilities. It's in these uncharted territories of thought that we unearth the seeds of growth and transformation. Imagine a world where curiosity reigns supreme, where every notion, every belief, is a door waiting to be opened. Each step into the unknown expands the horizons of our understanding, propelling us towards innovation and discovery. So, let's dare to question, to wonder, and to explore. Let's celebrate the beauty of an open mind. In this embrace of the unknown, we discover the true essence of our potential, a limitless capacity to evolve, to create, and to inspire. Unlock the doors of your mind, for within lies the universe waiting to be discovered.
Let's begin with a question. Do we see reality as it is? Do we see reality as it is? But could I be wrong? Could I be misinterpreting the nature of my perceptions? We've misinterpreted our perceptions before. We used to think the earth is flat because it looks that way. Pythagoras discovered that we were wrong. Then we thought that the earth is the unmoving center of the universe, again because it looks that way. Copernicus and Galileo discovered, again, that we were wrong. Galileo then wondered if we might be misinterpreting our experiences in other ways. He wrote, "I think that tastes, odors, colors, and so on reside in consciousness. Hence, if the living creature were removed, all these qualities would be annihilated." Now that's a stunning claim. Could Galileo be right? Could we really be misinterpreting our experiences that badly? Whatever reality is, it's not what you see. What you see is just an adaptive fiction.
Black hole sun, won't you come? Wash away the rain. Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come? Won't you come?
The earth is flat? Question mark.
That's got to be the most stupid thing I've ever heard in my life. It just demonstrates that people will believe anything. People have gotten to the state where if the television tells them that cat turds are candy, they'll eat them. So, as far as this flat earth thing goes, why is it that if I want to pick up a radio signal from Moscow, I have to point my antenna at the North Pole? Why is it that when an airplane leaves the West Coast and continues to fly, that it lands on the East Coast? Who in the hell in their right mind can believe in a flat earth?
Is it hot?
Yeah, there's only a surface. There's nothing inside.
Is the sun actually, do you believe, combusting it out?
It's not burning anything. There's no fusion in the sun. That's well understood.
Prove it.
Yeah, well, there's just not the way to prove that there is any. It's only in the flares that you get fusion. That's why all the X-rays. Flares, the arcs, and the X-rays, and the microwaves, and whatever result of fusion in the arcs. There's no fusion in the sun. They don't know how the sun works. It's a transformer. It transforms from some other dimension. It's not burning anything. It doesn't have to. It's a converter. I don't know. Nobody knows. But that's what it does. That's the only thing it can do, because that's how everything works.
Transforming from another dimension?
Yeah, you could say it's taking energy from another dimension, counter space. There's no energy, actually. Most of it you can't even measure in outer space or see.
Can't see.
No, you can't see the sun in free space.
The sun is not visible.
It's not in free space. It's only invisible when gross matter becomes involved, like the Earth's atmosphere and envelope and the surface of the moon or whatever. That makes the light. Otherwise, there is no light. You can see the moon, you can see the Earth, but you can't see the sun or you can't see the stars.
You can see the planets.
Yeah, right. You can see material objects, but you cannot see the sources of light. There is no light until there's a material object.
To reflect.
So that means there's no time delay. So the whole time delay thing is meaningless. It doesn't take light years. There are no light years because there's no light. So that means that the light you see from the distant stars isn't 4 million years old. It could be only minutes old. It could be instantaneous. All the theories collapse when you can't see the stars in outer space.
Okay, to carry this one step further, what we've done is superposed fluxes from Tesla transformers in bulbs filled with gaseous media. And when you do this, you find that you actually start to get galactic formations and what appears to be outlines of marine organisms, all with the most stunning color. A couple of times I had the good fortune to actually see what looks like photographs of deep space appear in these bulbs. You're actually going to get your galaxies and nebula. It's something you have to kind of pinch yourself to see if you're awake or if it's really happening.
Well, what's inside the sun? We'll never know what's inside the sun. What's inside the earth? Just from the basic principles of physical dynamics, the earth would have to be hollow.
So when you've got just one bubble, the sphere is the most efficient shape. But as we add more bubbles, we see the geometry changing. So in this case, we've got 4 bubbles, and you can see them meeting at a point. But put a shape in the middle, we don't get a spherical bubble. We get, in fact, a little tetrahedron. With 4 faces, they're not exactly flat, they're parts of spheres. But each time the bubbles are trying to find the most efficient shape for the arrangement of bubbles. So now we've got 6 bubbles, we've got a little cube appearing in the middle. This is nature's laws at work. The universe is always trying to find the most efficient solution it can. And as we pop them, the bubbles change, finding the most efficient, until we're left with a sphere again.
It has no choice.